If you are wondering if there is a charger or power adapter inside the box of POCO F7 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no, and we can even find this information at the back of the box of POCO F7 Pro. As you can see, here we have this graphic information that the charger is not included, so if you want to use a charger or power adapter, you have to use your old one from your previous phone, or you need to simply purchase a charger or power adapter separately. Now keep in mind that in some cases, in some regions, you may actually get a charger or power adapter. Therefore, if possible, take a look at the back of the box in order to see if you have this graphic information. Or you can simply ask the seller or the service provider or whatever, just anyone who is selling the phone for you, and ask them if there's actually a charger, but most likely there will be no charger included inside the box. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!